In this video, I will show you an artificial intelligence powered cryptocurrency exchange that you need to check out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Voox. Link to this will be in the description of the video. So I wanted to give you as much information as I can about this one because again, this is an innovative cryptocurrency exchange platform that is powered by artificial intelligence technology, and they are established in 2022. So they are designed to meet the diverse needs of traders globally, and they are headquartered in Singapore with additional offices in different countries such as Hong Kong, Taiwan, New York, Malaysia, and Dubai. So Voox provides a seamless trading experience where users can easily buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin and other altcoins out there. This platform is offering a user-friendly interface that has high liquidity and a robust trading environment to ensure that both new and experienced traders have access to the tools for them to be able to succeed in the cryptocurrency trading world. Now, what I like about Voox, guys, is that they have customer support that is available 24/7, and they are live agents, okay? So multilingual assistance is available to you any time of the day, any time of the week, whenever you need it the most. So the platform is committed to enhancing the asset security, which they also implemented advanced protection measures to safeguard the user's investments, and Voox platform development is guided by a strong focus on security and maintaining the user's trust. Because again, I mean, in my honest opinion, I don't know about you, but for me, what I really prefer is the security of the certain exchanges that I am using. Because, you know, I want to make sure that when I am on, I have those assets that I have left when I was off, right? So I do not want any hackers or anything like that getting or hacking into my assets, because those are like your hard-earned money, and you don't want that to be scammed, or you don't want that to be robbed by anyone else. And that is actually what I like about them. So they focus on the strength of the security, okay? Now guys, the core team at Voox comprises professionals from leading cryptocurrency exchanges, top financial institutions, and senior specialists from renowned tech companies. And they are offering a wealth of financial and technical expertise, and their strict data privacy policies and dedication to top-tier security ensures a safe platform for cryptocurrency trading. And of course, guys, I would strongly recommend that you also do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you would also be able to make informed decisions with your investment. So you could go ahead and check out their website. They have a lot of information. Like if you click on About Us, okay, it will take you directly here where it will give you more information as to who they are, what they do, and what are the things that you can expect when you use their service, okay? Now, Voox comprehensive services also include spot trading with deep liquidity, leveraged futures trading, and copy trading for users to follow top traders and optimize their strategies. And that is one thing that I would strongly recommend, especially for, you know, the ones that are new with cryptocurrency. You need to go ahead and check out that feature because it will definitely help you out in making advised decisions with your investments. Voox is committed to providing a professional, secure, and user-friendly platform, guys, to foster the growth of cryptocurrency ecosystem. And again, check out their website, guys. There's a ton of information that will definitely be helpful for you to know who they are and what they do. And what I like, guys, they are doing an event. Okay, you can claim up to 6,666 USDT in rewards. Okay, new registration benefit. All right, you have all those events, and you could follow all the ones, the requirements, the tasks that they have here for you to be able to get those trading rewards. And guys, I would recommend for you to go ahead and check this one out and follow those tasks, because it's always good to have that extra freebies, okay, with very minimal effort. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell that will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.